Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn about how to write a research paper. What do you mean by research paper? Research paper is a type of academic writing that provides an in-depth analysis, evaluation or interpretation of a single topic based on empirical evidence. Research paper emphasize the use of statistical data and pre-existing research along with a strict code for citation. These are the most effective way to share information across a wide network. Following steps outline a simple and effective strategy for writing a research paper. Step 1 is the identify and develop your topic. Selecting a topic can be the most challenging task. So here are some tips for selecting a topic. Select a topic within the parameters. Many times your instructor will give you clear guideline as to what you can and cannot write about. Select a topic of personal interest to you and learn more about it. Select a topic for which you can find a manageable amount of information. Next step, do a preliminary search for information. Preliminary search to determine whether there is enough information out there for your needs and to set the context of your research. Step 3 is locate materials. Use the library, that is electronic periodical database, to find magazine, newspaper article. Choose the database and format best suited to your particular topic. Many of the articles in the database are available in full text format. Use search engine also to locate material on the internet. Evaluate your sources. You will provide truthful, credible and reliable information. This step is important when using internet resources. Make notes, consult the resources you have chosen and note the information that will be useful in your paper. Write your paper. Next step is the rough draft, wherein you get your ideas on paper in an unfinished fashion. This step will help you organize your ideas and determine the form your final paper will take. Cite your sources properly. Citing or documenting the sources. Failure to cite your sources properly is plagiarism, and plagiarism is avoidable. The main styles are MLA and APA styles. Proofread. Final step in the process is to proofread the paper you have created. Read through the text and check for any errors in spelling, grammar and punctuation. Now the steps to organizing your manuscript, means how to write a research paper. First step is the introduce your topic. Make your title specific enough to describe the content of the paper, but not so technical. The title should be appropriate. Authors means person who did the work and wrote the paper is generally listed as the first author of a research paper. Other people who made substantial contribution to the work are also listed as authors. Abstract. Abstract, or we can say that summary. It is published together with a research article, giving the reader a preview of what's to come. Abstract should be one paragraph of 100 to 250 words. Don't use here abbreviation or citation in the abstract. Abstract summarize the purpose, method, result and conclusion of the paper. Keywords. Keywords are used for indexing your paper. They are the label of your manuscript. Introduction. This is your opportunity to convince reader that you clearly know why your work is useful. A good introduction should answer the following question. What is the problem to be solved? Are there any existing solution? Which is the best? What it is main limitation and so on. Describe the background. Background means literature review. Review the literature related to the topic and select some papers. Describing previous research. Establish your research problem. The next step is to clarify how your own research fits in and what problem it addresses. What research gap is your work intended to fill? What limitation in previous work does it address? And what contribution to knowledge does it make? Specify your objectives. Now you will get into the specifics of what you intend to find out or express in your research paper. Materials and method. If your paper is proposing a new method, you need to include detailed information so a knowledgeable reader can reproduce the experiment. Use references and supporting materials to indicate the previous published procedures. You can also include a diagram, table or flowchart to explain the method you used. Results. This is where you present the result you have gotten. Use graph and table if appropriate, but also summarize your main finding in the text. Only representative result from your research should be presented here. Here you not include references in this section because you are presenting your own result. So you cannot refer to others here. Write a clear conclusion. Without a clear conclusion section, reviewer and reader will find it difficult to judge your work. You should provide a clear scientific justification for your work in this section. Table and graph. If you present your data in a table or graph, include a title describing what is in the table or in graph. For graph, you should also label the x and y axis. Acknowledgement part is optional. You can thank those who either helped with the experiment or made other important contributions. References. There are several possible ways to organize this section. Here is one commonly used way. There are few research paper links. These are Literature Review and Challenges of Data Mining Technique for Social Network Analysis. This is the title. These are the author, affiliations, address, here abstract, then keyword, introduction, literature review. Literature review means previous authors ने क्या क्या वर्क किया है उसके बारे में डिटेल देना, उनके क्या कंक्लूड किया, किस टेक्निक के बारे में उन्होंने बताया. आप इसको टेबल की फॉर्म में भी कर सकते हैं. दिस इज टेबल. Here write the table name. This is literature review summary table. Here author name, paper title, techniques, findings, year, references. Means जो रिसर्च पेपर आप देख रहे हैं उनके ऑथर के नेम, उनका पेपर टाइटल, क्या टेक्निक उन्होंने यूज की थी एंड इस पेपर में उनकी क्या क्या फाइंडिंग्स थी, वो किस ईयर में पेपर पब्लिश हुआ था और आपने एंड में कौन सा रेफरेंस को यूज किया है. इसे कहते हैं हम लिटरेचर रिव्यू. कंक्लूजन एंड फ्यूचर ट्रेंड्स. References here, author name, then paper title here, General name, volume, issue, year. These are the references. Another link, hybrid neurofuzzy classification algorithm for social network. Abstract, keywords, introduction, related work, also known as literature review. Methodology here, because न्यू वर्क की है, देन क्या उसकी मेथडोलॉजी है, उसको हमने फ्लो चार्ट के थ्रू दिखाया है. एंड यहाँ पे आप स्टेप्स भी लिख सकते हैं कि हमने कैसे कैसे वर्क किया है. इम्प्लीमेंटेशन, इम्प्लीमेंट में हमने क्या डेटा सेट यूज किया है, कैसे हमने इम्प्लीमेंट किया, उसके बारे में आप थोड़ा बता सकते हैं. क्या रिजल्ट आए हैं उसको बता दीजिए. क्या कंक्लूड किया है, कौन कौन से रेफरेंसेस यूज किए हैं, एंड यहाँ पे ऑथर प्रोफाइल. थैंक यू.